Imagine spending weeks, sometimes months, living inside a machine that never stops moving. No home, no fixed bed, no comfort zone, just the open road stretching endlessly in front of you. Now imagine the opposite. A truck that feels more like a five-star hotel, a private jet, or even a luxury apartment on wheels. Sounds unreal, right? But today, you're about to see machines that completely redefine what comfort actually means. From futuristic electric beasts to trucks with built-in saunas, these are the most comfortable trucks you've probably never seen before. Let's start with something straight out of the future. The Windrose isn't just a truck, it's a complete redesign of what a truck should be. The first thing that hits you is the driving position. Instead of sitting on one side like traditional trucks, the driver sits right in the center, like a Formula One driver. It instantly changes the entire experience. Because in front of you is a massive digital setup that gives you a 220-degree panoramic view of the road. And here's the crazy part. There are no mirrors. Cameras replace them completely, eliminating blind spots and improving aerodynamics at the same time. This isn't just about comfort, it's about control and safety at a level we've never seen before. Inside, it feels nothing like a typical truck. Real wood, premium leather, and a clean design with no cheap plastic anywhere. It feels more like a luxury lounge than a work vehicle. And since it's fully electric, it delivers around 670 kilometers of range on a single charge. With ultra-fast charging, you can get 60% battery in just under 40 minutes. This is what the future of trucking looks like. Quiet, powerful, and incredibly refined. But what if the driver wasn't even needed at all? That's exactly where Aurora comes in. This isn't some experimental concept. It's already happening right now. Autonomous trucks powered by Level 4 self-driving systems are already moving freight across highways in the United States. No driver behind the wheel, no fatigue, no distractions, just pure uninterrupted efficiency. The system uses advanced LiDAR technology that can detect objects hundreds of meters away, even in total darkness. In fact, it can spot a pedestrian seconds earlier than a human driver ever could. Think about that for a second. A machine reacting faster, seeing better, and never getting tired. These trucks can run non-stop between cities like Dallas and Houston without taking a single break. And with companies investing hundreds of millions into this technology, the future where trucks drive themselves isn't far away anymore. It's already here. Now let's shift from automation to pure comfort, because not everyone wants a driverless machine. Sometimes you just want to relax. That's exactly what the Dream Sleeper is all about. This isn't your average bus. It's more like a moving hotel designed for overnight travel. Running between Tokyo and Osaka, this vehicle turns a simple journey into a luxury experience. Instead of cramming in dozens of passengers, it features only a handful of private cabins, each one designed for maximum relaxation. The seats recline into a near-zero gravity position, reducing pressure on your body and helping you fall asleep naturally. Soft lighting, quiet interiors, and even aromatherapy create an environment that feels closer to a spa than a bus. You get Wi-Fi, charging ports, and complete privacy. There's even a high-end restroom setup with heated seats and modern features. You board at night and wake up at your destination feeling refreshed, not exhausted. That's a completely different way of thinking about travel. Now, if you prefer something more traditional but still incredibly advanced, the Mack Pioneer brings a different kind of comfort. This is where American engineering steps in, with power, size, and smart design. Massive investment has gone into making this truck more efficient and more comfortable than ever before. The cabin is tall enough for you to stand upright without any restriction, and wider than previous models, giving you real living space inside. The windshield is a single piece, which improves visibility and reduces noise. And under the hood, you get serious performance with high horsepower and torque. Ooh, this is the kind of truck that combines strength with practicality, designed for long hours on the road without wearing the driver down. It's not flashy like some of the others, but it's incredibly refined in its own way. But sometimes the most impressive machines aren't built in factories. They're built in garages. That's exactly the story behind Bubba Branch's truck, known as Just a Phase. What started as a simple project turned into something truly extraordinary. He built on a classic Kenworth platform. This truck is the result of an entire family working together. Every detail inside reflects personal effort, from custom flooring to handcrafted interiors. The ceiling is lined with quilted velvet, the panels are wrapped in leather, and the entire truck feels like a piece of art. Even the lighting setup is unique, with multiple headlights creating a bold, aggressive look. And despite all the customization, it's still a powerful working machine. This truck isn't just about comfort, it's about passion, creativity, and pride. Taking customization to another level, we have Ovenen's lowrider from Finland. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling masterpiece. Thousands of hours went into transforming it into something completely unique. The exterior is covered in detailed artwork, while the interior feels like a luxury lounge with high-end materials and even a built-in sofa. Yes, a sofa, inside a truck. And thanks to its hydraulic suspension, the entire vehicle can lower itself down, giving it that iconic lowrider stance. But here's what makes it even more impressive. It's not just for show, it's still used for real work, hauling loads daily. That combination of beauty and functionality is what makes it stand out. Now imagine taking comfort even further, to the point where a truck becomes a full-on luxury home. That's exactly what the Mel Grand Empire is. This thing is massive, and inside, it feels like a high-end apartment. You get a fully equipped kitchen, a spacious bathroom with a rain shower, heated floors, and a bedroom designed for proper rest. There's even a slide-out system that expands the living space at the push of a button. And if that wasn't enough, it has a garage at the back that can fit a sports car. This isn't just travel, it's living on the road without giving up any luxury. And thanks to solar panels and onboard power systems, it can operate completely off-grid. You can literally park this thing anywhere and live comfortably for days. Of course, comfort isn't just for luxury travelers. Even public transport is evolving. The Yutong U15 is a perfect example of how technology is making everyday travel better. This fully electric bus offers an incredible range while carrying a large number of passengers. But what makes it special is the attention to detail. Spacious interiors, comfortable seating, and even features for the driver like massage and ventilation. It's designed to make long hours behind the wheel less exhausting. And with accessibility features built in, it ensures that everyone can travel comfortably. Behind the scenes, in places most people never think about, there are machines like the Kamag precision tractor. It may not look luxurious at first, but for the people operating it, comfort is everything. Smooth acceleration, minimal vibration. Women in a well-designed cabin make long shifts much easier. It's built for efficiency, but it doesn't ignore the human experience. And sometimes, that's what real comfort is about. Making hard work feel a little easier. Now let's step into something truly elite. The Prime Limo takes the concept of a van and turns it into a private jet on wheels. Inside, you're surrounded by premium materials, comfortable seating, and advanced technology. Everything is designed to keep you relaxed and productive at the same time. You can hold meetings, watch content on a large display, or simply enjoy the ride. It's the kind of vehicle used by celebrities and executives who value their time above everything else. Because when your schedule is tight, even travel needs to be efficient and comfortable. And if you need to move an entire group without sacrificing luxury, vehicles like the Executive Mini Coach take things even further. One with spacious seating, entertainment systems, and onboard facilities, it transforms group travel into a premium experience. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about enjoying the journey. But for some drivers, the road isn't just a job, it's a lifestyle. And that's where trucks like John Garland's Kenworth come in. This isn't just a truck, it's a fully functional home. Inside, you have everything you need to live comfortably for extended periods. A kitchen, a bathroom, a sleeping area, and even entertainment systems. It's designed for people who spend most of their time on the road, giving them a sense of stability and comfort no matter where they are. It's a reminder that even in the toughest professions, comfort matters. And finally, we arrive at something truly unique. The Kamaz 43114 takes comfort into the most extreme environments on Earth. Built for off-road conditions, this truck can go places most vehicles can't even reach. But inside, it tells a completely different story. There's a fully functional living space complete with a kitchen, sleeping area, and even a sauna. Yes, a sauna, in the middle of nowhere. Imagine being surrounded by freezing wilderness, stepping inside and relaxing in a warm, steam-filled space. That's a level of comfort that goes beyond luxury. It's about creating a home wherever you go, no matter how harsh the environment is. And when you look at all these machines together, you start to realize something important. Comfort isn't just about soft seats or fancy materials. It's about design, innovation, and understanding what people actually need. Whether it's a driver spending weeks on the road, a passenger traveling overnight, or a team moving across cities, these vehicles are redefining what it means to travel comfortably. The future of trucks isn't just faster or more powerful. It's smarter, more human-focused, and more comfortable than ever before. And the craziest part is, this is just the beginning.